Hey you guys, welcome to TullyVision, your favorite family on YouTube, and today I will be coming with a new video on how to sublimate dog chain necklaces. Okay, so the first thing you guys are going to need is one of these right here. It comes with the beaded necklace as well as a loop to attach, but I'm just going to be showing you guys this part right now on how to sublimate it, and I'll come back and show you guys how to put it together with the hardware. Okay, so what I like to do sometimes is print two examples of it. This was printed on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, as well as with a piece of puzzle, and I did that to save paper, as well as just saving ink and different stuff like that, not having to redo everything separately. That really doesn't have anything to do with ink. Don't tell nobody. All right, but the reason why I do two different sizes is because sometimes it may look better stretched differently or placed differently. So here you guys see that this actually fits well and it gets the whole image. And I just had to see, do I like the way that puppy dog looks here, or did I want to put it over here where he's bigger and take up more of the necklace? It's really up to your discretion on what looks best, because you don't have the customer here. But I believe that the scenery and everything looks nice in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and put puppy right here. And I'm going to go look for some tape because I just ran out. Okay, you guys, so I absolutely ran out of tape. So what I'm going to have to do is be very strategic. So if you guys don't have tape, I want to show you if it's possible to go ahead and do it anyways. Is it worth it? I mean, I have no choice because I have this order now, but let's try. What I'm going to do is cut it as close to size as possible. So I can place this right here on top. And I'm going to place a piece of paper on top of this to kind of weigh it in place. I'm going to fold that, put a nice little crease, and actually, nope, I'm going to use this old tape. The tape is important, guys. I can't risk it. So I just saw this old tape on a heat press. I'm going to use it. Okay, so we're going to make sure that's lined properly. I'm going to tape it in place. And do I have any more old tape around here? That's all I got. So we got to make it work. But if I didn't, I would just fold this in place really tight. And I will go against the fold when I'm putting it down. We're going to sublimate this for 120 seconds for 400 degrees because it is a metal. So you want to make sure that it takes up all of that gas properly. But you guys, this is the tape that I ran out of. I literally just ran out in our last video that I did about 30 minutes ago, and I realized I should have did the Dogtag first because that really needs tape too, because it's small and our image was small, if that makes any sense. But if you're doing like a big piece of something with a big big fabric or something like that, you probably could skip the tape. So we're gonna let this go to 0 and I'll be back. Alright you guys, so I am back. I just lifted this up because I don't know if I mentioned it's about 4 a.m. here and I'm just getting videos out and it was loud. Okay, so I had to go ahead and stop that. But I'm going to go ahead and open this, and this is what it looks like so far. Bruh. You guys may hear my baby crying, but my husband has her. I'm going to end this video soon so I can go care for her, but I just want to show you guys the rest of the Dogtag. Whew, it's hot, so if you guys have heat gloves, that's cool, but I get pretty good with heat. So you guys, this is what it looks like. If you can see that, it is so pretty. Let me see. Go ahead and like, I can't get it to like zoom in, but that is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to add the hardware to this. So we didn't need our extra one. No mistakes were made. Alright. So it comes with a big bag of chains. I'm gonna go ahead and grab your chain. My daughter lost so many of the little rings. I probably only have one left. Yep. So I can't put out any order of these dog tags until I get more of these. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and grab these two tools. Take one with one hand. I had two of these, but I'm just using my husband's pliers because I can't find my other little red one. And we're going to open it. Okay? You don't have to open it too much because you want to close it well. It's still hot, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and toss it on there. All right, you guys, so this is where we're at. And we are going to go ahead and, can I just turn this around for you guys? We're gonna go ahead and close this. I'm gonna do the same thing. You're gonna grab it with one and grab it with the other. Oh, this is harder. This is harder trying to show you guys. I'm gonna grab it with one and grab it with the other. And you're going to push these two back together. Guys, it's so hard to show you. All right, you guys. So we're just gonna put this on our little loop, just like that. And it's kind of hard to show you guys, rather than me like sitting at a desk and like holding it well. I'm gonna try anyways. So I just need to hold one still. And then move the other piece. Alright, you guys, so I finally got that piece on. And you're just going to throw in your necklace. Bring it all the way through. And that is that. So you guys, that is how you do a dog tag necklace. And it doesn't have to be a dog, guys, which is pretty funny. But you can put whatever image you want on there. And we will put a link in the description box for these as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on TullyVision.